friends, my name is Sangeeta and I make beautiful DIY craft with little bit of imagination. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make mini explosion box. As I have mentioned in my earlier videos that I'm inspired from Crafts King, so I tried to make mini explosion box. And I got orders from one of my clients. Thank you, Joban. Friends, do let me know in the comment box below, did you liked it? So let's get started without wasting time. This tool is from VR Memory Keepers. It's very easy to use. For this mini explosion box, we'll be needing red cardstock and any pattern paper. Now we will start with this red cardstock. Place this card here and now measure 5 1/4 and trim it. Rotate paper and measure 5 1/4 and trim it. So now you have 5 1/4 and 5 1/4. Now flip it over like this. Now place your cardstock against this 0 mark and take your scoring knife which is stored here. This way. Keep on repeating all 4 sides. It will look like this. We need to cut here. For this type of box, you just need to cut all these 4 sides. And for this type of box, you need to cut here this way. This way, cut it with scissor on all 4 sides. Keep on repeating this way. Now fold it like this as shown. Crease it properly. Fold it this way. Repeat here, same way. On opposite direction. Crease it. I'm going to repeat all 4 sides as my clients want it. Crease it properly, or you can keep it only 2 sides as per to your wishes. Take a small piece of pattern paper and with the help of double side tape, paste it. Here I am using this double side tape from Forever in Time. Link is in the description below. Place it and press it like this. Now repeat this all 4 sides. Friends, for more crafts, please go and watch my videos. But after watching this entire video, and don't forget to like, comment and share this video with your family and friends. Now with double side tape, paste it here, all 4 sides like this. Peel it and paste this way. Press it on all 4 sides. Keep on repeating. Peel and press it this way. It will look like this. If you want to leave it as it is, or you can paste this pattern paper with the help of double-sided tape on all four sides this way. Now for making cover for this box like this, you need 2 5/8 inches by 2 5/8 inches and trim it. So you have this, flip this like this, place this cardstock here against the 0 mark. Now with scoring knife, score it at 3/8 inches from all the four sides. Keep on repeating this way. Fold on the score lines. On all four sides. Keep on repeating this way. Now cut this with scissor as shown. This way. With double side tape or with white glue, paste it this way all over. Repeat very carefully, paste it this way on all four sides. Take a small piece of pattern paper and paste it with white glue or double-sided tape. You can cover this like this. Take small piece of red cardstock and with the help of border punch. Here I am using this border punch from Dress My Craft. I love this designer punch. Make 4 of these and place it here. You can write any message or paste picture. My client wanted me to keep it this way, so later she can add picture and write some messages. I wanted to make more beautiful, so I added this flower and I used this flower punch. Paste with glue or double-sided tape. Yes, it's looking so beautiful. What do you think? Now it's time to place chocolate. Yeah, it's done. Your mini explosion box is ready. Hope this video was very useful. If yes, please don't forget to like, comment and share this video with your families and friends. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so whenever I upload a new video, you are the first one to know. See you soon. Till then, Namaste.